Okay, Studio City, and we're gonna be checking it out. There's a beautiful statue, and hope you like it. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so we're in Studio City, so we're just gonna kind of stroll through and go to a food court. So just kind of show you. Looks like that's the casino grounds over there. There's a lot of you can kind of walk around all the shopping areas all the way around. So it goes all the way to entrance part. It's kind of a red part. And then there's another way where we're going to be going down this way. Okay, so here we are in Studio City. Yeah, a little glow of red. Basically that glow of red is where all the cars come in. And it's actually kind of a cool spot. But we're going to go through to another space. So this is kind of the shopping area. There's shopping up there. And we're going to check it out. It's Sunday. And we'll just see how busy it is. It feels like it's a little bit busier than usual. So actually, I haven't seen this many people in quite a while. Then you can also go up that way as well, and there's like a playground, play area. Yeah, last time I was here it was empty. It's September 14, and it's still kind of the COVID era, so it's not easy to come into Macau, but there are tourists here because the mainland Chinese can come into Macau, and there's a border right next to us, so they can come in and enter through Studio City right at the border. There's two borders of that connect by, you know, not airplane, not ferry, you know, like. So this one right here, there's one right next to us. It's just a short little bus ride. So. Got all this kind of cool stuff in the middle. So you got this one, and all that one in there as well. And then you have this kind of stuff. There's a casino grounds right there, and then New York subway. Look, I haven't seen this many people in quite a while. Actually, I noticed in general, there's not as many people are interested in Studio City. When I do MGM and Venetian and ones that are in Las Vegas as well, somehow the hits. People seem to go to the video. The Studio City, not so much. You get about half of the people go here. But it's just as interesting as the other one, so I don't know. So I think it's just the Las Vegas name recognition. And we're gonna basically, straight ahead, this has been quiet since COVID, but there are a lot of kids here. Kids in particular, I guess, today. So the casino grounds. Then we're gonna head on up in a minute. And you can kind of see all this stuff too. So this has all the virtual reality. So these are all like virtual reality things, and they're all not really functional at the moment. But maybe there's some people, there's a tickets counter over there, so maybe we'll walk over there and see. But yeah, this virtual reality should be a big draw. We're gonna walk up here in a minute. Okay, so we were up there and up there, but we're gonna head up here. And there's kind of a food court that's been empty for quite a while, so we're just gonna breeze through it real quick. Yeah, this one has a really cool food court. It's a nice ambience to it, but it's always quiet. So we're just gonna come around, and then we can see kind of the ambience of this one. There's actually quite a few people there. This Japanese restaurant has been open, and that one's been pretty busy. But not many people really come up to this area right here for whatever reason. Well, it's closed for one. But I noticed that Japanese one always has a lot of business. So we're just gonna stroll through. I'll walk kind of fast, and we'll just see what we can see. There's the women's bathroom. Ooh. I think I might use this one back in a minute. Okay, so we're gonna head on through. I think we're gonna just, I have filmed up here before with more detail. So there's kind of a cool wall mural back there, but I'm just gonna follow into this little space and I'm gonna head back on out again. But at least you kind of get an idea that there's people around again. Let's see if we can see them. Yep, so you can see people all over the place around here, especially right there. So lots of people down here. Not many people up where I'm at. Most of these places are closed, but those ones down there seem to be pretty active. And you got this McDonald's right there. And that's been closed for a while, since March, I think. So yeah, there's stuff that's open and things that are closed, and this whole part is closed. And this is the one with a lot of atmosphere, but the one downstairs too is kind of cool as well. But anyways, yeah, this is all empty, but it's closed since March, and now it's September 14 today. It's too bad. Let's just kind of take a look and see what we can see here. There's a new pizza place. Still got some people around. Anyways, this is Studio City, so we'll just end it right here. And we're gonna head on out. So we're gonna go by this Joyride, American Diner. And this is at the side of Studio City as well. It's a pretty cool little space. So yep, Joyride. It's pretty cool. And we're gonna head on out this way. And that's the end. Let's see here. Studio City. Yeah, there's definitely tourists are back now, aren't they? And over there we have Venetian, right next door. Studio City. We're just going to capture it in a minute with this big sign, and this will conclude. There's the Studio City sign right there. The red carpet. Just kind of cool too to go down the red carpet. And then we have the Cotai Strip right there. Venetian. And there's the Studio City right there. So there it is. We're gonna walk back a little bit further. Cotai Strip, MGM. There we go. And then that's where we just came out of Studio City right there. So, hope you enjoyed this one. Chiquinha, chiquinha.